Hello guys, welcome to the Altruist Styles. I am Janvi and today we are going to learn vocabulary or lexical resources related to crime and law. It is the episode number 25 and you can check all the previous episodes on our channel. In the last video we have covered 3 words. The first word was desperate. It is an adjective. And if you are desperate, you are in such a bad situation that you are willing to try anything to change it. The second word was grim. It is also an adjective. A situation or a piece of information that is grim is unpleasant, depressing, and difficult to accept. The third word was judicious. It is also an adjective. And if you describe an action or decision as judicious, you approve of it because you think that it shows good judgment and sense. Now, before moving to our next words, I want to announce that we are providing writing correction service. That means if you are stuck at band 6.5 or less in writing section, you can join our Facebook group, and believe me, it's really helpful. So go and check the link in the description box. Now let's go to our first word. It is impinge, and it is a verb, and something that impinges on you affects you to some extent. Let's look at the synonyms. Hit, affect, encroach, infringe, trespass. Let's go for the example. And the courts in defense pending that have impinged on 2 of the region's largest employers. Now let's go for the collocations. Impinge on, impinge upon. The grammar part. The third person singular present tense is impinges. The V4 or present participle is impinging. The past tense and past participle, that means V2 and V3 form of impinge, is impinged with ed. And the noun of impinge is impingement, and a noun is also impinger. Now let's jump to our second word, bind. It is verb. If something binds people together, it makes them feel as if they are all part of the same group or have something in common. And the other meaning could be if you are bound by something such as a rule, agreement, restriction, you are forced or required to act in a certain way. Let's go for the synonyms. Unite, join, link, consolidate, oblige, make, force, require. Let's jump to the example. It is the memory and thread of perception that binds them together. Employees are not bound by law to conduct equal pay reviews. Let's jump to collocations. Double bind, bind party, inextricably bind, legally bind, bind together, bind up, bind by something, bind to something. Let's go to other things. The third person singular present tense of bind is binds, like he binds, she binds, it binds. The present participle V4 is binding, and the past tense and past participle V2 and V3 form of bind is bound. Let's jump to our next word, nag. Nag, it is verb. And if someone nags you, they keep asking you to do something you have not done yet or do not want to do. If something such as a doubt or worry nags at you or nags you, it keeps worrying you. Let's go to the synonyms. Scold, harass, badger, pester, worry, trouble, bother, and bug. Bug is quite informal, but it is used as the synonyms of nag. Let's jump to the example. My girlfriend nagged me to cut my hair. He could be wrong about her. The feeling nagged at him. Let's go to the collocations. Nagged at, nagged, nag about something. Other things, the plural and the third person singular present tense is nags. He nags, she nags. The present participle V4 is nagging with double G. The past tense and past participle V2 and V3 is nagged. And nagging is also an uncountable noun. I gave up smoking a year ago after constant nagging from my kids. The synonyms is scolding, complaining, critical, sharp-tongued. In the next video, we will cover the word forbid, abide, hooliganism, and many more. Until then, like, share, and subscribe to our channel, and don't forget to check the link in the description box. Thank you so much.